Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to access Google Photos from Instagram. And basically you have two options how to do this. So the first one is to open Google Photos, then select some photo and save it to the gallery. So click at the three dots and then click download, or you can select multiply photos, and at the bottom on iOS you will see save to device with this icon. On Android it will be the same icon but download. So you can save your photos, then open Instagram and post this photo. Let's say I want to add it to the story. So now we have these photos in the gallery. You can select them and then post it. The second option is to open Google Photos, then select the photo what you wanna share, click share, then right here at the application list you need to find Instagram. If you have Android you need to scroll down. On the iPhone you need to click more, and right here we have all applications, so you need to find Instagram. Then select what you want to do with this photo. Let's say again post it in the story. Click on it and then post it. And now we have two stories. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.